Hey guys, I'm going to walk you through setting up your computer for BIM. There's a couple of you that haven't quite gotten it done yet, and so I just want to make this video real quick and show you. So first thing is to get to the Northeast website, and then you need to go to Launchpad. And you'll need to sign in with your school credentials, your school email, and then your same password that you use at school. Okay. All right, and then once you get here, you need to be on a computer. A Chromebook won't work. iPads won't work. It needs to be a computer. It can be a Mac, an Apple computer, or laptop, because we have to install Office. If you don't already have Office on your computer, then this is what you'll need to do. And the programs that we're going to use to finish up this year are Excel and PowerPoint. So click on the Office 365. You may have to go through some more sign in, again, still using your school information. Okay. And then once you get to this screen, this is where you need to make sure that you install over here on the top right hand corner. Okay. If you click on one of these, you're going to get the online version of Office. So let's say I open this up. Notice that it's a tab, just like it was an internet tab. Okay. And if you're working in this version with this tab, you're not going to get all the features that you need to be able to complete the assignments. Okay, so this is not what we are looking for. Again, we are looking for, did I just lose that? The 365 and this install button. Okay, so click on the drop down. You just need to use this first option for Office 365. You'll see it come down here, and then you'll want to click on it and it'll go through the install setup. I'm not going to do it on my computer because I already have the program installed and I don't want it to mess up what I've got. Okay, so it may take a few minutes, it doesn't take too long to install it, but that's what you need to be using. Okay, and so then you'll be able to just use your search box down here at the bottom. Let me move this down here a little bit. Right, this search box right here, type in Excel so that you can find what you need to find. Okay. Close this, and we're back into our Launchpad apps. All right, second thing we need to do is go into our CTE group and go into our textbook, just like we've done before. And find your textbook for your class and launch the course. Okay, this is exactly what we do at school. Not right now. Okay, download student data files. So this is something I added to this view so that you can get your data files on your computer that you need for class. Usually these are in the student share folder at school. Okay, so click on that link. Click on this link. And then over here to data files. And then here's the file that you'll need to right click, save link as. Okay, and then you can go save it. Just remember where you save it. So if you want to put it on the desktop, you can change the name of the folder here to BIM1 files. And then you can use that folder to save all your stuff in for class as well. And click on save. Okay, now that folder is going to be on your desktop. Okay, You might want to go through the extract process. Okay. All right, so then this folder is going to look like the one that we have at school. So for working in Excel, Module 4, these are the files that you may need to work on and open. So there's, again, EX42 for the skills review. Okay, so I'm going to close these out and go back. So back to our textbook. And again, this part, this is familiar. This is what we work with all year long. You should have, this is our textbook right here. You should have training and the textbook project complete. So those should be green check marks because we did those before spring break. Then after spring break, we are doing the skills review. So again, depending on where you left off when you signed in the last time, you may need to use your little chapter contents. Come over here. What we're doing is the skills review, independent challenge 1, 2, and 3. Okay, so click on the skills review. It tells you what to open. It tells you what to save it as. You're just saving it on your computer. And then you're going to have to use Google Classroom to turn it in. Usually in class, we use our turn-in folder for these assignments, but that's not available to you guys. So we're going to use Google Classroom. Okay. All right. So that pretty much gets you back to a point that you're familiar with. After those assignments, we've got this charts packet. I did add this in. This is not part of your normal textbook. So these are instructions in a file for you to use to complete. This would be the third assignment for week 2 to finish up week 2. And then week 3 is all in Google Classroom because it's not coming straight off the textbook. And then after that, we're going to start PowerPoint. So I'll start opening up these PowerPoint modules. Again, training, we'll start with the PowerPoint training. Textbook project, that's a download upload. So you will go through download upload for that. Project 1, download upload. So the download uploads are the same. And then the skills review independent challenges are the same, just like we work in class. So it should be very familiar to you from this point on. Okay, looking forward to seeing your work come in.